Welcome to my craft area. I'm Anna Hellman and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's look at today's project. Spring may not be here yet, but it is going to be here before we know it. So myself and
Kelsey
are going to show you how to make this really simple spring or Easter card today. We made this recently in my stamp camp, and it's just a really simple one that you could make up several of these in just a few minutes if you like. So Kelsey is showing you our markers because she really likes to be helpful. Can you take a break for a second? Okay, let me tell you what we need, and then we'll look at this stamp set. So we need a 5.5 by 8.5 piece of purple posy. We need a piece of 4 by 5.25 white for the inside, piece of 1.25 by 5.5 white for the flower strip, and then a piece of 2.25 by 2.75 white for the lamb. So let's look at the stamp set for a second, and this is just a really cute one with the sweet little animals and some nice greetings. We've got the lamb, the little chickie, the bunny rabbit, the little Easter basket, a couple of flowers. These are separate stamps, just so you know. You can use one or both, and then the butterfly, and then 3 nice greetings. Welcome spring, may the new life of spring bring you joy, and Easter is a lovely reminder of new beginnings. So we are going to use the stamps here to stamp our lamb and our flowers, and then my little helper is going to do some coloring while we do a few other things.
Can I tell them the colors?
Hold on just a second. Let me stamp these and then you can tell them.
Okay.
So we're going to stamp, I have the lamb and the little butterfly mounted here to stamp onto this piece. And then I have 2 flowers. They're both mounted on here. And I'm going to stamp this a few times onto this strip. And then Kelsey is going to color. Go ahead and tell them what colors and markers you have.
Purple posy, smoky slate, granny apple green, and flirty flamingo, and daffodil delight.
Good. So we're going to take this over here. Kelsey, you can start coloring. And while she is doing that, I will stamp the greeting onto the card base. So I decided to use the greeting on the front that says, Easter is a lovely reminder of new beginnings. So to get my spacing right, I'll lay this here for a second so I get my greeting in the right spot. So we'll put this over here. And we can prepare the piece for the inside as well. So I decided to use the cute little bunny stamp for the inside. Let's see what the inside of this one. This one just has the greeting in a little flower. It says, may the new life of spring bring you joy. Let's go ahead and add the bunny on the inside of this one just because it's cute.
Can I color it?
Get your other ones done first.
Oh, okay.
If we need to, we can color this after we're done with our video.
Okay.
And then I like this little greeting. This is the same one. So we can go ahead and put this on the inside of the card while she finishes coloring. You want to scoot it in right here and they can watch and admire your beautiful work. How about that?
Okay.
So winter has seemed a little bit long this year. We have had more winter weather, and I know a lot of people have had more winter weather than normal. So spring sounds wonderful. I'm sure a lot of us are looking forward to it. We dropped a marker over here. I think we have it again.
Yes.
Do you want me to help color? I can color these flowers.
I want to color them all.
Well, we're going to pick up the pace here because we need to stay busy, okay? I'll color the leaves. How about that?
Okay.
So these are Stampin' Right markers. For anyone who may not be aware, our ink refills that you can refill the ink pads with, you can refill these markers with the same refills. So if you are wondering about how to do that, I have a video that shows you exactly how. And it's just really nice when you make the purchase for the markers, you know that you're going to be able to use them for a long, long time since you can refill them. So when your child or grandchild gets a hold of them and does a lot of coloring, they get a little low on ink, you can refill them instead of having to throw them out. That never happens in this house. Right?
No.
No, never happens here.
No. I'm coloring the butterfly different. Yellow and pink.
Oh, you're switching up the colors on me. Let me see. These small lines don't get so stuck in certain patterns as our big minds do with having to color things the same. So do you want to color the tulips pink or a different color?
Let's see.
So thanks for bearing with us, whoever is watching this video today. Sometimes I feel like they turn into a little bit of a traveling circus when I have my helper here. So thanks for sticking with us. We appreciate it. And she sure loves helping, right? Are we going to have yellow? I don't know what those are. We'll call them posies. Oh. We'll color those other ones and then we can finish this up. Bring this back in so you can see what all comes in that set. It's always nice to have some spring and Easter cards, and I love this little chick. We didn't use it on today's card, but if you are familiar with the Stampin' Up! Chicken sets, the Hey Chick, that is a special release right now, I am envisioning some adorable cards with that little egg that is walking around on legs.
She does it.
And this cute little chick.
You do it upside down.
So sometime I may have to share a card like that. Here, let me put this on.
Oh, but I wanted to do something else.
We'll finish the inside here in a little bit. Okay, so we've got that there. I will add a couple of rhinestones. What are you doing, darling? Dots? Well, here, let's finish up. You can add dots afterwards, okay?
I'm done.
So I've got a few rhinestones here with my take your pick tool with the putty end. This is the absolute best way to put gems or rhinestones on your project. And now we are all done. So there you can see both of those cards, and hopefully this gives you a fun idea that you can use for springtime. You want to say goodbye?
Bye-bye.
Thanks so much for joining in today. For more information and links to the products used today, click in the video description box down below to visit my website. Make sure you also click down below to subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell to receive notifications when I share new videos. I truly appreciate you being here, as well as every like, share, and comment that I receive. I'll see you again next time when I'll be back helping you to hand make with love.